Hello friends, welcome to Root Expert. In this video I am going to show you how to record screen on your Android device. Stay tuned Root Expert, and this is Alamgir, stay with you. So let's start. At first open Google Play Store and type Mobigen in the search box and then search. Now install this application. After installing, open it. Now tap on the welcome button here. Now tap on the air circle to start recording and capturing. This application will give you instruction about how you can use this application. You can hide this air circle by dragging the air circle to the bottom. Also, you can capture your screen by using this application. Now I will try to record. So viewers, if you feel this video helpful, please like and share with your friend. If you have any problem or queries, please comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell to get more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.